Yeah, we're looking at broadening and building, brainstorming. So we're going to get a pen and a paper for this one. We're looking at positive emotions and relationships. The thing that we're going to mainly focus on today is that the broaden and build theory states that positive emotions are a way for us to broaden our awareness and encourage creativity and original exploratory thoughts and actions, which is pretty awesome. We're going to focus today on the fact that our mind broadens due to enhanced neural connections. It's really important to understand there's two chemicals, and I want to get this one absolutely right. We've got serotonin and dopamine, two of the chemicals that allow us to increase our connections in our neurons in our brain, which does allow us to think faster, more creative, and just get this stuff so out of here onto the paper and allowing us to understand what we're trying to focus on. So what we're going to do for this particular week, we're going to divide the class into 4 teams. So we're going to get 4 to 5 teams of 4 to 6 students, depending on how big the class is. And we're going to just get you guys to individually, obviously by yourself, we're going to get you to think of, something that makes you feel happy. It might be a place or a person. It might be a great memory or a beautiful picture, your favorite music. Just spend a few minutes just thinking about a couple of those happy thoughts that will get you, cranking those chemicals in your head, just getting you ready. And the goal here is to simply just increase that positive emotion so that we're fully aware of the broaden and building more effective ideas in our groups. So next we're going to brainstorm as a group, really important. We're going to do some brainstorming, each in teams. We're going to be judged on the quantity of our responses, as well as creativity, teamwork, humor, and appropriateness of our response. So we want to make sure that we're doing this as best we can. All 3 groups are going to be given, all 3 to 4 groups, how many groups you have, we're going to give 3 minutes to brainstorm. And the question that I'm going to ask you today is a fun one. What would the consequences be if there was no nighttime? So if nighttime didn't exist ever, what are the consequences? What would happen? When I say go, or when your teacher says go, we're just going to let you guys jump into that and nominate a scribe. So make sure you have someone writing this stuff down. There's no wrong answers. We just want each team at the end to share their responses in order to determine which teams were the most effective in this challenge. Now, the class discussion, it's really simple. We're just going to have a look at how boosting positive emotions has actually helped our creativity. It's something that we've seen in the research, and we've actually also allowed ourselves to do here at UP. And I just want to finish just really quickly with something from Barbara Fredrickson, who said, just as water lilies react to sunlight fading, so does our minds when positivity fades. So make sure that we're keeping those positive emotions flowing. We're keeping at the center of our mind all of the broaden and build stuff. Good luck for this week, guys. Get into it.